What's up guys, bomine.jk here with another video. So sorry for interrupting the video that you were watching. So I just want to tell a small thing before you start watching the video. The whole video was shot using the 80D and using the kit lens that came with it, which was the 18 to 55 kit lens. So this video goes for people who don't think that the kit lens is worth its price. So I hope that you like this video and make sure that you subscribe. Signing off, I am bomine.jk.